friends, it's Velvet. I am here today with a cherry on top haul that I forgot to include in my last haul video. So I've got it kind of prepped here. They had a really good sale going, so I picked up these little stamps that I thought would be really cool for mark making. They're from Uniquely Creative. They're just little stamps, you know, a couple inches, that they've got. They're just some really great marks. And then this is just adorable. And then this one, just some really cool stuff. And yes, you see some more on 49 and Market. This was on sale. I think, is this new or is it old and I just don't have it? I can't tell. But boy, is that pretty. I'm going to open this. I'm sorry I didn't do this ahead of time. I opened the package. I mean, I opened the, you know, the box that it came in. I took all the outside packaging off, and then I didn't take anything else apart. So this is Art Options Rouge, 12 by 12. You get 8 double-sided papers. And of course the front always has, you know, some fussy cuts for you. These are fun. Look at this. Hi, Odin. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's an interesting back color. It's like a beigey green. That's cool. That's lovely. Very pretty. Gosh, I feel like you could use these for Christmas too. And maybe that's when they came out. Odin, don't be doing that. Oh, that's a pretty backside. Odin, please stop. Now he's trying to get a fly off of the door that's on the outside. Yeah, these are nice. I don't see a date on the bottom here. Does it say a date? Oh, 2023. Not new. These probably were, they probably did come out at Christmas time. And maybe it's a case of I thought that they were too Christmassy looking. I don't know. Pretty. Oh, look at the heart. Very cute if you're doing scrapbooking. Very cute. I will probably cut this up as tags or use the backside for clusters. They really are pretty papers. I think this one's on sale. I don't think you know, it's not something that I was striving to get, obviously, because it's from 2023. This is really cute. Look at the cutoff. Isn't that adorable? Oh, this one's pretty. I like this. See, it's not Christmassy looking because it's so watercolory and it's just butterflies. I don't see anything Christmas about this, but I don't know. Maybe it came out last Valentine's Day. It's very pretty paper, though. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. And, of course, it's their typical very thick cardstock. That's pretty cut off, too. Yeah, I'm glad I got that. That'll be fun. Plus, with my new series, Kill a Kit, this will be really easy to kill because it's such a small piece. And then what I got was this big kit. This is, let's see, so Art Options Rouge. It's the 49 and Market Value Bundle. It's all of the stuff that goes with this particular line, and I think it was only $39.99. I think. Yeah, which is really, when you, if you were to do the math, you would see that you are saving a tremendous amount of money to buy the whole kit this way. It's not often they offer that option. If they did, I would certainly get that because I usually do buy all of the, or a lot of the things that go with the $49 Market kits. So comes in this nice little folio thing. Just get this off. So then you can put everything that goes with the kit in here, like I like to do. So let's just empty this out. Apologies, my arthritis is bothering me, something terrible. And it's making my hand a little useless. So if I drop things or whatever, make too much noise, I apologize in advance. Cool. Okay, so this is, all right, let's start with these papers. $49 Market. This is Curator's Botanical Garden Clippings. That is lovely. Oh, I love the background too. So nice and neutral. Oh, it's funny that, like, opposite. That's pretty. Botanical Les Fleurs. Oh, puppy's back. That is gorgeous. That would be a very nice tag, or you could cut around that and make that into maybe the front of a junk journal. Oh, that's gorgeous. I just love when the backing page, whatever you want to call it, the back pages. Side B is gorgeous too. This is lovely. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at this, it looks very familiar. I do wonder if I have it. And if I do, I'll just put them together and I'll try to kill the whole thing together. Now this one is Plum Grove. Colored Foundations 2. I feel like maybe I ordered that separately, but why would they stick it in there like that? Maybe this is, yeah, I guess this is all part of this kit. They put things together that they knew would look good with this kit, so it's pretty. Love the back of this. I just love this, where you can see the writing through. I've been kind of doing that with my own digitals now. Look at that pretty paper. Lavender paper too. Color Swatch Lavender. I don't work with purple or lavender very much. That is gorgeous. I used to not care for the color very much, but it's growing on me. It's really growing on me. That's pretty. Ooh, I like this. Down here, wouldn't they make great pockets or side tucks? So pretty. I love the backside. Oh my gosh. I feel like you need 2 of these because the backside is really cool for tags and stuff. This would make a really nice scrapbooking page too. And even a card front. And then here's another lavender paper 4 from the Color Swatch Lavender. Darker on the back. That's pretty. And this one is from Spectrum Gardenia Solids, paper 4. That's really pretty. It's purple and green kit. And they're not colors I use a lot of, and I think this is going to be so fun to use. So fun. Again, from the Spectrum Gardenia Solids, paper 6. So pretty. Oh, I love this. Blue raspberry. I love turquoise so much. This is Solids Blue Raspberry. This one's from 2022. From the Spectrum Sherbet collection. I may have this, but I'm thinking I didn't get those kind of solidy looking colors. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I don't know which one I like better. Oh, just so pretty. This one's called Blueberry. Oh, that's a nice back, isn't it? Okay, so those are the papers you get in this ginormous kit. And then you get these rub-ons. That is awesome. This is 12 by 12 Viken, V-I-K-E-N, rub-on transfer sheet. These are gorgeous and will look really nice with those, with these lavenders and turquoise blues. So, so pretty. Not going to open that. This came with it too, and I'm pretty sure I have this, but I love it so much. I'm so glad to have a second one. And these are the laser cut elements. I know I have this because I remember using some of these things. These are fun. Paper edges. Viking ephemera bits. I may need to open this because I'm very curious about what's in here. Although you can see it. Actually, I am going to open this because I don't want to have a glare. I'll just pull out a few things. Okay, or, you know, the whole thing. Though it's always nice to pull out the whole thing so you can see what it was they included that you can use here. I love the tabs. Fun stuff. And it's that thick cardstock. So, I mean, gosh, these are just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, look at the window frame. Isn't that pretty? These little, like, slide things. I love all these little ticket things. I love using these things. They just add something to a page, don't you think? Or to a cluster. Look at the arrows. Aren't they neat? And then you've got a whole bunch of stuff here. That's pretty. Now, you know I'm a fan of using these big pieces that they sent. Oh my gosh, isn't that awesome? Very cool. And then there's more of these little things. Oh, this is hard. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? Gorgeous. You could easily put these on the front of a junk journal. They're nice and heavy and sturdy. You know, you could do some layering. You know, I mean, just so pretty. Or use them for clusters, for tucks and envelopes. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to try and get this all back in. See, these sentiments would look nice on the cover too, wouldn't they? Apologies for the noise if that's too loud. Yeah, I had a feeling what's going to happen. They're all just going to kind of fall out, but that's okay. Ugh, it's very difficult for me to pick things up because my thumb just really doesn't want to work that way. I go in a week for another shot, so I'm looking forward to that. Look at these. These are so cool. They're mini index clips, and they come with the little brads that match. Look at the pretty colors. It's called Tidal Wave. I was going to say it's got a very ocean feel to it to me. Very nice. That's not something that I've used before, these particular clips, so that'll be fun. The tag set, that's fun. Very. Oh, you can use the back too. Look at that. Oh, we've got a frame set. Oh my gosh, there's so many in here. 36. So that's what you get. I won't open that since I have such a hard time putting them back together. But you know, they cut, all of these are cut, so you can use these backs. Mix and match, use them for clusters, whatever it is you want to do. These are really pretty, and they would be great for scrapbooking as mats for photos. Just gorgeous. And I think, yes, that looks like that's it from Cherry on Top. I do have a couple of orders in right now. If you're a shopper there and haven't been there in a little while, they're running a sale right now. Well, actually, by the time I put this up, the sale will be over. But I will say this. One of the things that I like that they have started implementing, or they have implemented, is that you can put in, oh, I'm yawning again, small orders and have them hold them until you qualify for the free shipping. And you pay for the order then, so it's not like you have to pay for the whole thing. at once. So I've got 2 smaller orders in right now, and I've just got, you know, not much to go till I get to half off shipping, but I've already taken advantage of some discounts too. So yeah, it's a really cool incentive, I think. And of course they're still doing their cherries too. So, all right, that is all I had for you. I will give you, oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. It's 2:30 in the afternoon on a Sunday, and I'm exhausted for some reason. I will give you a sneak peek at a journal that I'm working on. And this is using my own kit. This is my wallpaper kit that I put together. And I have to add, you know, my own things in there, but this is the cover that I've done for it. It's not done. It's only glued. I haven't done anything with it. But these are the 2 fabrics I chose to use. They're ones that I got recently. And I'm using a paper bag. I cut down a large paper bag, so it's got that little, you know, the noise that everybody loves, right? So anyways, yeah. That is my next project. All right, so I will bid you adieu. Thank you so much for showing up, for hitting like and subscribing. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye.